She confesses to me. 4 years long of back pain that has never truly subsided. The weight of her words lingers, heavy, and I can feel the burden she carries written across her frame. I hover over her spine, my hands tracing the silent story written in bone and muscle. Can I be the one to bring relief? Or will her pain resist me, like all the battles before? Her legs tell me their own secret. The right foot falling short, the balance disturbed. This is no coincidence. It's an invitation, and I accept. The work begins. Her neck yields with a subtle swoosh. Her mid-back whispers with a bow. And her low back surrenders with a sharp yeah. Yet, even in the middle of the war of joints and tension, my mind betrays me. What's for dinner? The question lingers, absurd but inevitable. I stretch her legs, and they resist, stubborn, defiant, unwilling to let go. But this is not my first battle. Her body may fight back, but victory is already mine.